Hey, if your boss or your employer is paying you off the books, under the table, cash, you know what? I've got a couple of things that you want to know in dealing with the IRS. You're going to want to know this. This video starts now. You know what I'm going to say, right? Before we get started, hey, like the video, subscribe to the channel. We've got more of these coming. You want to get instant notification. I promise you, you want to get these. Subscribe to the channel now. Subscribe to the channel now. All right. We're going to start right now. If you're getting paid cash under the table, you're probably thinking, look, I don't really even deal with lawyers. I don't need a tax lawyer, and I really don't need to hear from some old ass tax lawyer telling me the rules all about what I need to do. Well, listen, I'm not trying to tell you what to do. I just want you to know what you're dealing with, just so that you know how to get through this thing, okay? All right, 3 things. The first thing is that just because you're getting paid cash under the table does not mean that IRS won't find out. If you're getting paid cash, ask yourself, would your employer sell you out? Would your employer tell the government that he or she or it, the company is paying you cash? Because if you think that they would, then you might want to make records of your cash and report the income anyway, because otherwise your employer might just get you in trouble. All right, there's the next point. Why would your employer sell you out? Well, here's what really happens. They get audited, or they get themselves into some tax trouble, and they might already be in tax trouble. And they have to tell the government where they spend their money. They have to tell the government where they make and spend their money. And somehow there's this flow of cash missing, and they need to show the government where it went. Why do they need to do that? Because it benefits them. So that they can save some money, they will probably sell you out. Again, I'm just letting you know how it works in this IRS world. All right, there's one other thing that I want you to know. Chances are it will not happen to you, but you should know about it. That there's a law in the IRS tax code that says if you know that you made income and you know that you're supposed to file that information and you choose not to do it, well, then that's punishable. I forget right now whether every time it's 3 or 5 years. I forget, but you should know about that. Okay, all right. And those are things that I want you to know about getting paid cash under the table. So look, that's the end of this video. I want you to check out this other video that if you are the person who's paying someone under the table, cash, off the books, this is something that you're probably going to want to know on how to deal with that. All right, check out that video. Again, I'm Anton, Tax Law Offices. Subscribe to our channel so that you get these. All right, thanks again for joining us. See you next video.